Stop scrolling, because the used car you're about to buy could turn into a financial nightmare. Most people think they're saving money, but end up paying thousands in repairs later. And the worst part? All of it could have been avoided. So before you buy any used car, watch this. Buying a used car is smart, but only if you avoid these common mistakes. Today, I'll show you the 5 biggest mistakes people make and how you can avoid them. And stay till the end, because mistake number 5 is the one that destroys most buyers. Mistake number 1, buying based on looks. A shiny car, clean interior, nice rims. It's easy to fall for it, but here's the truth. A car can look perfect outside and be completely broken inside. Sellers often fix appearance, not real problems. So don't get emotional. Inspect the condition, not the shine. Because looks don't cost money, repairs do. Mistake number 2, ignoring car history. Skipping the car's history, that's a huge risk. That car might have been in a serious accident, flooded, or poorly maintained, and you won't always notice it right away. Always check service records and ownership history, because a car's past decides your future expenses. Mistake number 3, skipping inspection. This is where most people get trapped. They take a short test drive and think everything is fine, but serious issues don't show up in 5 minutes. A professional inspection might cost a little, but it can save you thousands. Spend a little now or pay a lot later. Mistake number 4, falling for cheap deals. If the price feels too good to be true, it probably is. There's always a reason. Hidden damage, mechanical problems, or high mileage. Some sellers just want to dump a problem car quickly, and once you buy it, the problem becomes yours. Cheap cars aren't always cheap. Sometimes they're the most expensive mistake. Mistake number 5, not researching the model. Not all cars are reliable. Some are known for constant issues. Others last for years with low cost. Before buying, always research common problems, maintenance cost, reliability ratings. Because choosing the wrong model can drain your wallet every month. Bonus mistake, hidden real-life trap. Let me tell you something most people only learn the hard way. Sometimes a car looks perfect, drives fine, and even passes inspection. But after a few weeks, problems slowly start showing up. Small noises, higher fuel use, random breakdowns, and suddenly you realize you didn't buy a car. You bought a problem that takes time to appear. That's why patience is everything. Never rush, never skip checks, and never trust only first impressions. Buying a used car isn't just about saving money. It's about making a smart decision. Avoid these mistakes, and you'll save yourself from stress, repairs, and regret. If this helped you, make sure to like and subscribe, because the next car you buy should be your best decision, not your worst.